I know that you've been gone. You and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong. After the blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. And the wind blows like you had me so cold. Oh, oh, how did you know?
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
To grow. Oh, oh, I want you to.
But in fact, there are several free online courses provided right now, including in all different areas. So why do we need spending money buying courses?
We have to remember, spending money is a very complicated thing. You need to have a systematic way of learning. Okay, you get random access on the internet, you will not get a complete picture of how the financial world functions.
Practice, because if you only keep them in the safety zone, comfort zone, they will never have the chance to learn and to experience the real world. How do you explain that, please?
Yes, of course we need to spend some money to learn something. But actually, spending money to learn does not always guarantee you actually get the right knowledge sometimes. Because I joined some courses, actually those courses are sponsored by Mr. Dyson, he actually turned out this money.
Thank you. Even when you say that is no guarantee that
The blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. I know that you've been gone. You and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong.
That's gold wedding tonight! Woohoo! Yeah. French kiss. Okay.
And sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou. Like a boom, 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 like a boom, boom, like a boom, 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 like a boom.
I know that you've been gone. You and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong. After the blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. And the wind blows like you had me so cold.